Rupa, over to you, please.
Uh, Thank you, Krish, for such a lovely opportunity. To begin with, um, I would like to start. I mean, it's just something coming from my heart with a very big,
Sorry,
grateful
Rupa.
thank, a big,
So sorry. Sorry,
grateful.
we can't see you.
You can't see
We
me
can't see you. No.
now?
I
Yes,
can
yes, yes.
see.
Please go ahead.
Yes, I can see now.
Okay. So, to begin with, let me give a very big, heartful thank you to Krish, Aisha, and Aarti for getting me on board to such a fantastic, mesmerizing journey of not just skills. Not it was not. It was just not a class. It was just not a lesson or a course. It really it took me on a mesmerizing, informative, educative journey, and these 10 days of IELTS masterclass will be etched in my memory for the longest time ever. To be very honest, yes, thank you, Krish. Thank you so much. To be very honest, I was very nervous and apprehensive about this course. I was contemplating, should I go ahead with it? Should I do it? Will it help me? How do I go? Because women, we have so many responsibilities, taking care of the elderly, job, and the pressure was too much on me. But let me tell you that when I met Aisha in the counseling session, she put me at complete ease. Complete ease. I felt like, I'm just talking to somebody so cool. And then Aarti really supported me. Whenever there was a technical glitch, Aarti, in seconds, even though it was late night, they both, helped me so much. And Krish, I have no words for you. I appreciate. I'm not saying this just because you're there, but really, really, I learned a lot. It not only helped me do this IELTS course, okay, where some skills I already knew, some skills and lessons I really got a very deep knowledge from you, but it helped me review myself as a teacher, as a trainer, which I think I badly needed it. Really, really, Krish, I really badly needed this because in so many years of experience, as we have gone ahead with teaching, I suddenly realized that maybe some of my classes have been monotonous, and some of my classes I have been missing like very basic information. So when you took me step by step into this journey, it is something I'm very gratified. I'm very gratified. I mean it. I mean it. Going on to the most enjoyed activities, I think we both, Sony and I, enjoyed everything. There was not a single moment of dull. There was no dullness in the class. Sometimes teachers, I mean, students end up yawning, but I don't think you saw Sony or me yawn. So that means your classes, they kept us on our feet, even though we were sitting on the chair. The activity really made Sony and me run around was the scavenger hunt, and then we had the real life cases, where you told us to discuss OCDs. The OCDs were wonderful. Then we had this, yeah, the one Sony mentioned, where I made a big mistake. I read the first line, but I missed on the instructions. So that was definitely an eye opener for me and for Sony as well, I think, to read instructions. Looking into all the PDFs that you have given, they're really very professionally, very thoughtful, and a lot of research done. Someone like me who's done quite a few courses, this course has helped me enhance myself as a trainer. It really, I understood what is loop import, micro teaching, metacognitive thinking. Flashcards are amazing. I don't know if you can see how many times the trainer uses, but those flashcards, I've flip over. I've used them like so many times. Translanguaging, pedagogy, then IPA. You gave us so much of information, interaction pattern. That was another real, a good thing that we learned here. online, offline classes. The list goes on and on. The entire syllabus that has been done is really, really good. I mean, it is worth every penny, or worth more than every penny I have paid. Really, really, Krish. I really appreciate this from the bottom of my heart. I think even Sony, I realize no amount of experience makes us good trainers, but upgrading our skills, having more sessions like these should really, we may not be the best, but we could better ourselves. We definitely could better ourselves. Thank you so much, Krish. And in the future, my future plans of updating my skills, like I just told you some time back, I am planning to write down everything step by step, and I would definitely bring this into my classrooms. Definitely. I hope God gives us a healthy and a long life, where we would be advantageous to the students, we would benefit them. And really, Krish, deep respect, salute for this entire program that you have, so beautifully streamlined and took Sony and me together. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you. Yes.
Thank you so much, Ruba. I'm so emotional right now. I mean, how do I follow up with that? Is what I'm thinking. Um, so, I mean, wonderful. I'm so happy for you.